I can remember was Peter Smolik at the old Mission Valley YMCA. So it was like when the storm, Cyrus, all that stuff was super huge, like D3s were popular. As much as I love working at Route 44, there's some little things that get annoying. Little kids asking for free stuff, people coming in asking to get sponsored, and people calling asking for a job, and then when you tell them you're not hiring, they get mad at you. First tattoo was a skull smoking a joint on my leg. The last one I got was a little mini portrait of Dwayne bombing a hill. Like one of my favorite photos growing up that I saw, and still like one of my favorite photos. That's a really tough one because there's so many good bands that aren't playing anymore, but I gotta say US Bombs because I don't think I ever got to see him play, and Dwayne is crazy now. I was really young and I first started skating here. We're all skating and this one guy was going around, I guess he tried to steal a bunch of cell phones off the benches when people were skating, and somebody caught him, and the guy, kind of emptied out his pockets and was trying to just like bail for the gate, and this dude Jarvis grabbed a board out of this kid's hand and like spear tossed it, and it caught the dude's head perfectly in between one of the pillars and just knocked him out. And the guy got up and like ran out and stopped like one of the buses and was freaking out, like covered in blood, like, call the cops, they're trying to kill me.